Are you searching for the best electric circular saw? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best electric circular saw in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. 7-inch cordless circular saw 5000 RPM brushless woodworking saw, suitable for Makita 18V battery. Specifications: motor brushless motor, voltage 18V, saw blade diameter 180 mm, maximum cutting depth 63 mm, no load speed 5000 RPM, cutting angle 45 degrees, compatible batteries 1830, 1840, 1850, 1860. Feature: cordless design eliminates the hassle of tangling cables and is very easy to carry. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Brushless motor for superb performance. No friction and no sparks. Lightweight body around 2 kilograms. Safety lock, allowing you to use it flexibly and safely. Ergonomic design, excellent grip feel, long time work without labor.